Magkano naman po ang price? Comment from Mika. So to answer this one, it took me time kasi nag-check pa ako since we availed sa Skin Station Elite. So I'm just checking if parehas ba sa mga regular na branch nila. So may mga iba-iba, meron sa Mall of Asia and other malls or kung saan man yung location. You can check on their Facebook page. So upon checking and upon asking my wife, kasi siya yung nagbayad sa amin, uh, chinek ko muna yung Facebook. On their Facebook page, this is the cost. Then ito naman yung one of the photo ni wife, yung binayaran niya. So upon comparing the two, mas mataas yung price ni Skin Station Elite kaysa dito sa mga regular branches natin. I really don't know the reason behind it. Pero yun nga, masabi ko lang, never tried pa rin sa Skin Station na regular branch. Pero dito sa Elite na Skin Station, it really served us well and sobrang accommodating nila. Tapos cozy pa yung place. Yun nga, may mga free coffee and stuff. So I guess that's the whole point. Kaya medyo mas mataas dito kay Elite.